Welcome to 8 Quana Library content. Today, we'll discuss how to perform an update using a CSV file in NetSuite. Updating records via CSV import in NetSuite is very similar to adding new records, but there are a few key differences that ensure existing records are updated correctly. In this example, I'm updating existing items and identifying them by their internal IDs. This is a best practice for record updates, instead of using item names. My CSV file includes these internal IDs for both items. For item 1, I've set the Include Children field to True, while leaving that field blank for item 2. I'll also add new sales descriptions to both items and set their purchase prices to 10 and 15, respectively. Finally, I'll assign item 2 to the merchandise class. To upload the CSV file, navigate to Setup Import/Export, Import CSV Records. On the Import Assistant page, start by uploading the CSV file. Make sure you choose the correct import type. Since I'm updating items, I select Items as the import type. For the record type, I choose Inventory Item. Next, select the file we created earlier. On the Import Options step, since I'm updating existing items, I select Update. In the Field Mapping step, map all the fields from your Excel file to the corresponding NetSuite fields. Once all details are entered, click Next. Then, enter a name for the import and save it to begin the upload. You'll see a Job Import Status link, which shows whether the import is still being processed. This page will indicate if the import was successful or if any errors occurred, along with the number of records that were successfully uploaded. Now let's review the updated items. For item 1, the Include Children box is now checked, and both the sales description and purchase price fields are correctly populated. For item 2, as expected, Include Children remains unchecked. The sales description and purchase price are also populated, and the class field is now set to Merchandise. And that's how you perform an update using a CSV file in NetSuite. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more NetSuite tips and insights. See you in the next one.